Variable control options. Variable control options must be used inside the parenthesis. Okay, all the data step options will be used inside the parenthesis. So we have keep option, drop option, rename option. These are the options. Okay, so first we'll talk about the keep option. Keep option is nothing but to select a few variables from the entire data set. Okay, as per our requirement, we use this keep option to select variables. Okay, as per our requirement, we will use keep option. Next, the syntax is nothing but data set name, but new data set name you have to give. Before that, you have to create a data set. Okay, after that, again you'll write data and new data set name you have to give semicolon. Then set statement is nothing but it is used to copy the data from one data set to another. Okay, it is used to read the data set. Okay, so existing data set is nothing but previous data set. Okay, so whatever data you have created before, so you will write here. Okay, that data set name you have to write. Okay, so open parenthesis, here you will write keep is equals to var1 var2 semicolon run semicolon. Next is drop. To remove the variables as per our requirement from the entire data set, we will use drop option. Okay, so if we don't want a few variables, then we'll use this drop option. Okay, drop new data set name, syntax here. This is the syntax. Drop new dataset name, set to existing dataset. Drop is equals to var1 var2 semicolon run semicolon. Okay, so instead of keep you have to write drop. Everything is same, syntax is same, but instead of keep, if you want variables you will write keep option. If you don't want, you will write drop. Clear? So next is rename. To change the name of the variables, we'll write this option, rename option. So here also syntax is same, but for this rename we use two parentheses. So open parenthesis rename is equals to, again open parenthesis, old variable name is equals to new variable name. So in our new data set we will give a new variable name. Old variable name is nothing but whatever data you have created before, that one you will give here. Okay, next with a space. Okay, you have to give a space. Again another variable will be there. No, if you want to change the variable name of a second variable also, you can give. You can change multiple variable names. Okay, so here note is there, we can't use both keep and drop options at a time. Okay, so this is the drawback here. It will throw an error, but we can use keep or drop with rename. Okay, here before rename you can give keep is equals to so and so variables, whatever as per your requirement you can give, and give a space, then rename you can write here. Otherwise if you want to drop, then drop is equals to variables you have to give and space rename, here or here. Okay, after closing the parenthesis, anywhere you can give. Okay, so see, this is example. Drop variable 1 variable 2 space rename is equals to like that. Otherwise keep. Okay, not both at a time. So keep and drop you will not use both at a time. Okay.